And I'm Jacob.
And today we'll be taking you through the ACG O2 cell replacement.
The O2 cell on the ACG should be replaced every 2 years or as required. To start, grab a flathead screwdriver and open up the lid of the unit. Here you can see the O2 sensor standing in an upright position. Remove all push adapters and anything that could be classed as in the way.
You'll then need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws from either side of the enclosure. Once removed, you should be able to take the lid completely off of the unit. You should also see an O2 cell attached to the enclosure lid as well via a threaded collar. Remove the threaded collar, and then next we must disconnect the cell from the PCB by pressing down the 2 small spring-loaded clamps by using a terminal screwdriver. This will allow us to remove the wires from the terminal clamps.
To connect the wires back to the PCB, we follow a similar procedure to earlier. With the new sensor, push the wires back into the terminal clamps. Then take the enclosure lid, push the sensor through the enclosure lid, and then take the threaded collar and tighten it. Give the wires a gentle tug to make sure that they are securely connected.
Now all that's left to do is to screw the enclosure lid back onto the enclosure by the 2 screws you removed before. Then push back on the flow adapter and anything else you removed in the process. After any cell replacement on the ACG, please remember that you need to tell the unit the cell has been replaced and the whole unit should get a full calibration.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been useful to you.
For any more useful information, additional links and any extra FAQs, check the link in the description below.
Please don't hesitate to contact customer support for any other information or any other issues that you have.